Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people don't believe in wasting food. One signature Hakka dish is stir-fried pork intestines with shredded ginger. Using pork intestines, ginger, salt, sugar, and soy sauce, as well as some wine and vinegar for seasoning, Hakka chefs take meat parts that others might discard and turn them into culinary delights.
Hello, everyone. It's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Again, Leo's here, so we're going to talk about food. But today, I'm going to ask him how to prepare a certain dish that I love so much from the Hakka. 我今天就直接问你好了。
好啊。
因为这道菜呢，是我最喜欢的一道菜，客家美食。
什么菜？
姜丝大肠。
这是我的招牌菜。
招牌菜是什么？
就是招牌菜啊。
我是茭白菜。
不是啦，其实只要是客家菜馆都会做这个菜。
Oh, good. This is actually Leo's signature dish. And in fact, any Hakka kitchen out there knows how to prepare this, which is the stir-fried pork intestines with shredded ginger, 也就是姜丝大肠。
竹蟲炒薑絲，
竹蟲
炒薑絲，
炒薑絲。Okay, again, that's the stir-fried pork intestines with shredded ginger. Trust me, this is a very tasty dish. So what's in it? 到底里面有什么样的材料？跟我们介绍一下。
那当然了，一定要有竹蟲嘛。
竹蟲當然 ，yeah, the pork intestines.
一定要有薑絲嘛。
There's gotta be shredded ginger, 姜絲 of course.
然後
鹽對不對？
是
That's salt.
糖。
I know, sugar, 糖嘛，对不对？Okay.
Tell you.
Oh, tell you. We've heard of this. We taught this before. It's soy sauce, 酱油。
米酒，
这我也听得懂。米酒嘛。
对。
Rice wine.
最重要的就是笋丝。
这个我就不知道是什么了。
不懂了吧？
什么是笋丝？
就是白醋。
Oh, right. You also have to have the white vinegar because it gives it a very sour taste to it. Okay, 白醋。
最重要的就是要怎么把那个猪肠洗干净。
Oh, that's right. The pork intestine actually carries a very weird smell. 其实还刚买回来的猪肠都会有一个味道在里面嘛，对不对？ So how do you get rid of this smell? 到底要怎么样去去腥嘛，对不对？
所以呢，这时候就需要一杯可乐
啊。扣啦，
对，扣啦，
真的吗？
对，
可乐干嘛？
可以用可乐来洗猪肠。
No way, really?
对啊。
Okay, to get rid of the bad smell that the pork intestines have when it's raw, they actually wash it with cola. There you go, more details about this dish, and I hope you enjoyed it. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.